Yes, hello. Next sentence I am giving you again. Next sentence I am writing again. So after 40 minutes, the meeting disconnected automatically. And so next is they returned. They returned from. They returned from Delhi. They returned from Delhi. Can you tell past simple? Yes. We write. Yeah. Yeah. Second form is returned. Next is from Delhi. Delhi. Yes. Third one is future simple. Yes, correct. They will return from Delhi. So first form we write here return from Delhi. Third one, third one past continuous. They returning from Delhi. They were returning from Delhi. Correct, returning from Delhi. Na- Fourth one, fifth one, present continuous. Present continuous. Present continuous. They they are they are because were is used in past and ism are used in present, so we use are with plural subject. So they are returning. Continuous is with ing. They are returning from Delhi. Correct. Last one present perfect. Yes. They they with the helping verb has have, what we use here has have, and third form. From the helping verb has have, what helping verb we use, and third form. No, I forgot. They have with plural. They we use have. They have returned. Third form from Delhi. Next one is next one. Next is हाँ हाँ
There are many
हाँ
things.
हाँ हाँ. I reach home. Vanya, I have written the sentence. Past simple. I reach home.
Reached home.
I reached
I
home.
reached home.
Correct. Reached. Second form is reached. Third one, future simple.
It will reach home.
I will reach home. Correct. Third one, after third one, fourth one, past continuous.
I reaching home.
No, was were we use, so I was reaching. Continuous is there, so reaching. I was reaching home. Present continuous.
What?
I am reaching home. Is am are we use in present continuous. So I am reaching home.
Yeah.
Last one present perfect. Last one present. I have. Third form we use. Third form we use. Reached home. So can you tell me the rule? Have you understood the rule of 6 tense?
Yes.
Okay, I am using now with note. With note, you have to write all the 6 tenses sentence.
What?
I am writing one sentence. Negative sentence I am writing. I am writing negative sentence. He does not cross the road. He does not cross road. He does not cross the road. Can you one Viana, can you tell me first? He does not cross the road. In past simple, how we write?
He did not cross the road.
Yes, he did not cross the road. Now in future,
He will not cross the road.
he will
He will
not.
not cross the road.
Well done. Well done. Now next one is past continuous. Past continuous.
He
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 was
was
not
crossing the road.
crossing the road. Now present continuous. What is present continuous sentence? Yes, he is
not crossing the road.
correct. Now last one. Last one. Present perfect.
He has not crossed the road.
He has not crossed the third form the road. Correct. Now the chance come to Vanya, can you give the answer in this not form, not negative sentence? We use helping verb in present simple and past simple. Rest are same. Rest four are same, but first two are has used their helping verb. Now sentence is I does not work hard. I does not work hard. Can you tell? Vanya, it's your chance. Can you tell? Does I I yes tell I did not. Remember it. I did not. I tell you only first and second you have to learn. The rest are same. I did not work hard. Can you tell Vanya third one future simple? I think now you are easy.
Okay.
Yes.
I will not work hard.
I will not work hard. Third after
On my homework.
fourth one past continuous. Past continuous. Yes, past continuous. Yes, past continuous. I was not work hard. Fifth one present continuous. Present continuous. I what use I helping verb am. I am not work hard. Not yes working. I forget ing working hard. And fourth one last one present perfect. Both of you can give the answer if you know. But Vanya, you have to be careful. I am telling next one sentence for you. Yes, present. I
was not.
I have we use here. I have
not worked hard.
not work hard. Third form is worked. Third form is worked. Vanya, next sentence I am writing. You have to tell fast because we are taking lot of time. But answer is correct, but time is more important also. So she sleep. She does not sleep. Now, can you tell fast? She, yes. Did, past. She did not sleep. Now, future simple. Third one. She.
She will not sleep.
Correct. She will not sleep. Next. Next, fourth. Past continuous. Past continuous.
He was not sleeping.
Correct. Well done. I hope now you are correct with continuous. She was not sleeping. Next one, present continuous. She.
Yeah. He has not sleeping.
No, she is. Has is in the present
He
perfect.
is not sleeping.
Yes, last one. Last one.
What you say?
She, last one.
Yeah.
She.
No. She has.
She has singular. She is singular, so has we use. She has not. Third form we use here. Third form we use here, that is slept. Sleep, slept, slept.
Has not slept.
Yes, she has not slept. I think Vanya, you are able to give all correct this time again. So next sentence is the stars. Stars shine. I am writing now. Positive. Yes, the stars shine. Can you tell past simple of the past simple? The stars. Can you tell next? The stars.
The star shone.
Yes, second form. One year, we have to remember the first form, second form. So second form is shown. And future simple. One year, second, third for sentence, future simple.
The star will shine.
Correct. The stars will shine. Last one, fourth one. Past continuous. Yes, past continuous. The the stars. Subject is the stars.
Wait. The stars were shining.
Yeah.
Were shining.
Were shining because stars is many, so were is for plural. Correct. Now present continuous. One year next present continuous.
The stars are shining.
Correct.
The stars are shining.
Yes, the stars are shining.
Stop hitting me with a pencil.
The stars. Next is present perfect. One year present perfect. One. No, she. Why she? Yes, the stars. Plural is have. Plural we use with have. The stars have. Shining. Can you tell me how we make negative this sentence? All the sentence how we make negative. First one, how we make negative? How we make negative? First one.
The sun not showing.
No, does not. We use does as well as not. Only not is not applicable. The stars do not, because it is the plural. So do is the for plural. Singular for does. Now can you tell second one with not?
Um,
Second, yes. The stars. The stars
no.
did not. Did we use here in past? Now third one. Third one. Can you tell third one? Vanya. Can you tell third one? The stars with not. How we use not in third one? Third one. The star. Yes, the stars will
Not done.
not shine. Correct. Fourth one. Fourth one.
One.
The stars were not shining. Fifth one. The stars are. Fifth one. The stars are not shining.
Not shining.
And last one. The stars. The stars have not shining. Now, can you tell me how we make interrogative this sentence? Viana, can you tell how we make interrogative this sentence?
Interrogative.
Yes, question.
What interrogative again?
Interrogative means question. In the end, we write the question mark. Yes, first one I am doing you. Not we. We use not here. We use not here. And do we use in the start? Do the stars not shine? This is the interrogative sentence. Can you tell second one? Can you tell in the second one the shine will come. The first form will come. With negative we use only first form because did is the second form, and did when we use in the starting it becomes interrogative. So we can say did the stars not shine? This is the interrogative sentence.
Stars not shine.
And third one future simple, how we make it interrogative?
I forgot it.
Third one, how we make interrogative? Third one, the stars will not shine. Third one, can you tell third one?
The stars will not shine.
Yes, repeat.
Will the stars not shine?
Will the stars not shine? Correct. Will be helping verb we use in the starting, and in the end we write question mark. Now fourth one. Fourth one. Past continuous. In past continuous, we use not, we use were. We use were in the starting. Were the stars not shining? Fifth one. Viana, can you tell fifth one?
Um,
Fifth one.
not shining.
Yes. In the fifth one,
Sixth one,
we use this R. We use this R in the starting. Are the stars not shining? हाँ,
have the stars not
क्या कह रहे हैं?
shine? Have the stars not
कहाँ से?
shining?
ठीक है. So, yes, fifth one, last one.
Have the stars not shining?
We use this have. We use this have. Same as it is in the starting. Have the stars not shining? Not shining. We use third form. Here we use third form. Shined. We use third form, not first form, not with ing. In the present perfect, we now come to helping verb. What helping verb we use here? Now listen, Vanya, I will ask again. I am telling both of you. So present perfect helping verb is do and does. These are helping verb. These are helping verb. HV means helping verb. Short form. Now past simple helping verb is did. Past simple helping verb is did. Now future simple helping verb is will and shall. Will and shall. Future simple helping verb is will and shall. Now past continuous helping verb. Past continuous helping verb is was, were. Now present continuous helping verb is am, are. Yes, present perfect helping verb is present perfect helping verb is has, have. Has, have. Present perfect helping verb is has, have. So I think you can learn how many helping verb I have written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 helping verb I have written here. Now can you repeat again? Vanya, can you repeat again helping verb? Present simple. Vanya,
Yes.
please tell present simple helping verb.
Yes. And
Present simple helping verb is do, do, does. Do, does. Present simple helping. What is past? Yes, past simple helping verb. Past simple helping verb is past simple helping verb is did. Now future simple helping verb is Vanya. Future simple helping verb is will and shall. Now past continuous helping verb is past continuous helping verb is
ing, ing,
No, past. Past continuous helping verb is was and were. Past continuous helping verb is was and were. Now present continuous helping verb is present continuous helping verb is am are. Remember it. I am again. I will rub and again I will ask. Now present perfect helping verb is present perfect helping verb is has, have. Correct. Now again repeat. Again repeat. I will rub and again I will ask. Yes, Vanya. Yes, Vanya. Present simple helping verb is do, does, do, does. Well done. Second one, past simple helping verb. Second one, did. Third one, will, shall. Fourth one, past continuous. Past continuous. Sound is not coming. Past continuous. Past continuous. What is past continuous helping verb? Was, were. Past continuous. Past continuous. No, past continuous. In past, sorry, past. Now next present continuous. Yes. Is, am, are. Is, am, are. Now present perfect. Present perfect. Has, have. Has, have. So how many helping verb I have written, Vanya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 12 helping verb. 12 helping verb I have written. Can you tell helping verbs? How many helping verbs is there? How many helping verbs is? You know? Yes. Helping verb, helping verb. There are 23. Is, am, are. Is, am, were, was and were. Being, been, a, be. Being, been, a, be. Next one is am, are, was and were, being, been, a, be. Has, have, had. Yes, correct. Has, have, had.
Do, does, did.
Do, does, did.
Shall, should, will, would.
Shall, should, will and would. There are 5 more helping verb. May, might, must, can, could. May, might, must, can, could. Yes. Yes.
What's my homework?
I am sending homework after this meeting. I send to your sister the homework. I will send to you also homework after this meeting. Now, today there is 23 helping verbs. So please sing a song of helping verb. I am playing the jingle bell background. Vanya, can you sing also? You have to remember these 23 helping verb. Yes, I am playing the song. Yes, wait, I am playing the song. Playing the song. Helping verb song.
shouted wood near my must.
Yes.
Wood
Start. Song is starting. Helping verbs. There are 23. Am is a, was and were, being, been and be. Have was had, do does did, shall should will and would. There are five more helping verbs. May, might, must, can, could. Yes. Now jingle bell I am playing. Jingle bell.
Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Now you can play. You can sing this song.
Decathlon
You can
get up to
sing this
60%
song.
off until stock.
Yes.
Helping verb, helping verb. Helping verb, helping verb.
Helping verb. There are 23. Is am are, was and were, being, been and be. Has have, do does did, shall should will and would. There are five more helping verbs. May, might, must, can, could. I have misprint. I have misprint. You did not give the attention. Please.
Oh, it has have.
Has have had. Yes. Now, Vanya, I am playing this song. Vanya, can you sing only you? Helping verbs. Is them are, was and were, being, been and be. Has have had, do does did, shall should will and would. There are five more helping verbs. May, might, must, can, could. There is the will. There we forget will also. In the middle there is the will and would. There are five more helping verbs. May, might, must, can, could. So, Vanya, can you sing again? Can you try, Vanya? Start. Sound is coming. Yes. Yes. I will sing. I will tell 1, 2, 3. Then you start. 1, 2, 3. Start. Now, Viana. Now your sister Viana will sing. Viana, would you try? I will play. Okay, I will say 3, 2, 1. Then you start. You have to start. So
Okay.
1 is the last one. 3, 2, and 1.
Helping verb, there are 23. Is a more, was and were, being, been and be. Have had, do, does, did, shall, should, will, and would. There are five helping verbs. May, might, must, can, could.
Well done. Your last line is mismatch, but you have correctly give the answer. So now I think we have how many helping verbs today we have used. We use these 5, starting 5. Then we use these 2 also, 7. So 7 helping verb we use today. As well as I use this did also. Did. Okay. And I will and shall we can use also here in the future simple. So total we use these type of tense. So this is the last, okay, class, last of the time. Now meeting is end.